Grab your history books, bitches. You're in the class of Sir Ricky Bobby. Rye is so good, it started a mini rebel run revolution. In 1791, the United States made one of the worst moves ever, only second to Prohibition. They enacted a whiskey tax. Well then, my homeboys from Western Penn grouped up to bring the booze back to the people. But when our forefathers heard about the rebel forces, George Washington stopped chopping cherry trees and formed a little army of his own. He marched 13,000 Imperial troops into Western Penn and put down the revolution. He was successful. Sadly, this put many rye distilleries out of business forever. Funny thing, shortly after the rebellion, G. Washington opened up one of the most successful distilleries of his era. To capitalism. Today's victory shot is piggyback. Together we ride. And this little piggy went wee, wee, wee all the way home. All right, let's mix the Boulevardier. 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. 1 ounce of Campari. 1 1/4 ounces of a quality rye. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. That's about as American as apple pie. And that's the Boulevardier. Most people can apply today's word of wisdom anytime they open their mouth. Today's word of wisdom is shut up. Follow my lead. Does it sound like a preacher?
Yeah, kind of boring, so.
Okay.
Cheers.